Nongelam ka United Democratic Party UDP ubadiru Menteri Sorkar ubak polling do ulaong baka Sorkar jela bat ki Sengbhalang kide jingiatreilang ban penting kena baka resolution ke bakar pat yak Sorkar pedeng ban pentre kam yak inline permit ILP kan long ke baseso bat badan jingmen habakren syakilap thai kubor haga kat paratrik naitung ubak pol upentip banakalyang ke Sorkar Kalashim ya karai ban khat ya kren ya kiseng balang hadien ka jing penlong ka jongki ya ka jing kan rakot persya ya kinong tre bella ki badai ki barjela ula ong ru ba chief minister undum ya ka jingelang bat baro kiseng balang ban ya kren halor ki babon ki man da ka ba ong ba ukermen scam ba ka jingmi na ka ni ka jinga kren kan long ka ba seiso Uba Paul ubadeiru unong aktin ke MDA ula ongru baka jinga kun banyo ILP kamde banlong hapdeng ke Sorkar Meghalaya persya e ke Sengbhalang ka Meghalaya. Hendrei kadei banlong baka Sorkar Meghalaya bat ke Sengbhalang ka jela jingiatreilang ringkat banwat ye kilat kilinti bat banshim ya ka resolution baladep menjur da ka ying dorbar tauan ka jela syakabakut ula ong. Uba Paul ulaong baka jingwan rung ki barjela kumba kalajia menta kadai e namar kinong bela bat kani kalajia namar ba kinong shong ka jela jongi kimla satya ban pendap ya ka jing donkam nong bela kadon ka jingbam ya biang hapdeng ka jingdawa bat ka jing penyo bat kumta ngila sakhi ya kinong tre bela barjela hendrei ken mauru bat ka interstate migrant workmen act bat ki rules kila don hangni ha ka jing shisha kila trekam ha ka por bangalong menteri katanat labor bat ngalaten ru bat penkela ya ka bat menta kinong bela barjela ki hap ban register yala dia lada don kinu ke jing duna kala pandai na ka jing duna briula ni nong tre kini kide kimat ki bala ban penbank ngam yo i ka jing e ka bakrau hangni ula benram nalor kata uba pol ula ong baka jing penpau jong kiseng balang ya ka work permit kadai haka jing shisha ka rukam trekam ka baki nong bela ki hap an register yala di haka interstate migrant workmen act ya ka ni ula penpau haba jubab ya ka jing persya namar ka jing krenjong u chief minister ka jela da ka baong kamdan satya ka work permit ha Meghalaya kadan ka jing bam syai halor ka kerteng Nidan ya kabenta ka badai ban register kata ka rukam trekam ha ka baki nong bela barjela ki hapan register yala di hapo ka interstate migrant workmen act bat kani kadai ka benta ha ka baki Sengbhalang kila shim kum ka work permit Hendrei menteri rang baru shim la bakla namar ngim khot ya kani kum ka work permit Hendrei kadai ka jing register ya ki nong bela ya ka balakmi da katanat labor Ngatharai baka day tang ka jingyas ngutu bakla haga kerteng, Hendrei ka rukam trekam hi ka day ka ju. Kinu ke bela tresis pa nyup kandai singila register kum kinong bela, Hendrei lada kitam ya kini ki hap ban register biang yala di lani mi no na ka jela. Kani ka long ka basyai bhao ong uba pol. Uni unong ilam ke UDP habakali ula ongru. Nidang syudap banjit ya UMP batamai bat kanong rim jong ka VPP ka ba job kaput ha ka ke election kade ka ba kershan ya ka ILP bat kumta kan ha ban buram ya ka surjong upat ba ka jela.
Well, the Chief Minister is very shortly convening a meeting with all the NGOs wherein we will as a government try to address the various issues and concerns. And I am optimistic that something tangible, substantive, and fruitful will emerge from the discussion. This is a long-standing matter that has engaged the attention of the government. And you will also recall that the State Assembly has in fact adopted a resolution to the effect that the ILP should be implemented. So I think this will figure prominently in the discussions with the NGOs because we have to fight in tandem. It should not be government of Meghalaya versus NGOs of Meghalaya. Rather, it should be government of Meghalaya and the NGOs of Meghalaya in tandem working towards finding a lasting solution and to take the resolution adopted by the State Assembly to its logical end. I think you will agree with me that the bulk of migration that is happening is that of laborers. And it is happening because we, on our own, as residents of Meghalaya, are not able to supply the demand for labor. There is a mismatch between demand and supply, and hence you have migrant workers. But also, please keep in mind that the Interstate Migrant Workmen Act and the rules thereunder are in existence. In fact, they were enforced when I was Minister in charge of Labour, and I had pushed for those reforms. And today, while we do not have, what we have is actually a system of registered labourers. And if at all there is any lacuna, it could be the lack of manpower, workforce. These are issues that can be addressed. I don't see any major problem there. It's just about the name. We have a registration process, a system whereby laborers are registered under the Interstate Migrant Workmen Act. And that is a system which the NGOs refer to as the work permit. But the CM also is right in the sense that we do not actually call these work permits, because these are registrations of laborers which are maintained by the Labour Department. I think it's just a confusion about the name, but the system works out all the same. Anybody working for a period of 179 days is issued and registered as a laborer. If he crosses that period, he has to re-register himself or exit from the state. That's very clear. Just completed the process of electing a new MP, and the stand of the VPP, which won the elections by a landslide margin, is in favor of ILP. That is the voice of the people of Meghalaya, and that voice has to be respected.